Let's say we want to identify students that are liable to write an exam based on their attendance. 60% upward eligible, any below will not be allowed to take the exam. Here is how to go about it. We are to determine the days present for each student, also the days absent, then use the attendance rate to determine if they will be writing exam. To determine the days present, type equals COUNTIF, select the range of the daily attendance using the P to determine the days present, then enter. Autofill for other students. For the days absent, we will copy the same formula, then change P to A for the days absent. Press enter and autofill for other students. To determine the attendance rate, we will select the days present and divide it by the number of school days. I will press F4 to fix this, then get the percentage. Press enter and autofill for other students. To do the sorting, press Ctrl-Shift-L. Then sort based on the attendance rate, categorize those eligible with a color and categorize those that are not with another color. You can now see from the list those who are eligible to take the exam. That's it.